Hi guys, today we are going to make another healthy and tasty recipe, and that is corn pulao. It's very easy to make and we need very few ingredients for this. You can make this with a lot of vegetables also, or you can make it just like we have made it. We've added only corn to it. Okay, we start with the ingredients. First we need 2.5 cups of basmati rice, which we have washed thrice and soaked it for 15 minutes. Next we go on to few bay leaves. We need 2 cardamom sticks, a few peppercorns and some clove. We'll also use salt for seasoning and pepper. We need a few green chilies cut. We have crushed a whole corn. We've not boiled it, we've just crushed it. Fresh corn we have taken and crushed it. And we need a few corn kernels. Again, these are not boiled. We first take 2 glasses of water in a vessel and start the heat. We then add our whole masalas, that is the bay leaf. We'll crush it a little. This will add nice flavor to the rice. We'll put the cardamom sticks. We'll add the few peppercorns and the cloves. We'll now let the water boil for some time. Water has just started boiling. We'll now add around 1 tablespoon of salt to it. And then we'll start adding the rice. First we'll take out the excess water that is in the rice that we had soaked. Slowly we'll add the entire rice to it. We'll let the rice boil for around 5 minutes on a high flame. But you can check in between so that it doesn't get overcooked. It's almost 5 minutes that the rice is boiling. Let's check it. The rice is 95% cooked. So we'll take it out. We don't want to overcook it. And now we'll drain it. Now we need to cool down the rice so that they don't break any further. Now our rice has completely cooled down, so let's start preparing it. We heat up a pan and pour in about 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use butter here instead of ghee. As soon as the ghee heats up a little, we'll add the chilies. And now we add the crushed corn to it. We add some salt. Some pepper. Now we mix it well. Now we add the corn kernels to it. Since we have not boiled the corn, we have to let them cook properly. Continuously keep stirring it. We have to cook it until the corn gets brown specks on it. Now we see that the corn has puffed up properly. Slowly it will start getting brown specks. We now add a little water to this so that it doesn't stick the pan. We just let it boil for a few minutes and then we add the rice to it. Stir the rice well and let it cook for a few minutes. Let it absorb the flavor of the ghee and the corn and all the spices. The rice now looks ready. Let's switch off the flame and start plating it. So guys, our yummy tasty corn pulao is ready. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Please like and share our video and do subscribe to our channel. Also try the recipe and provide your comments in the section below. Thank you.